Claude Code has finally become the most powerful AI coding agent in the world right now. You can understand its power by realizing that it surpasses OpenAI model completely. It can not only build full application but also read your file system and handles end-to-end development. But every tool has its own problem, and the problem here is the high API cost. So, in today's video, we will get rid of this API cost and use Ollama completely free of charge without spending a single penny. So let's get started. Alright, let's get this set up. First, we need to install the CLI. For that, go to your browser, open the main Claude documentation page, and here you can copy the command based on your OS. I have Mac, so I will copy this one, and now go to your terminal, paste this link and press enter. In few seconds, it will install. To check, just type Claude, and if it show up like this, then it's installed successfully. If not, there might be a issue. If you get stuck, leave a comment and I will help you. Now to test it, first we need a project folder. Inside the terminal, type Claude again. Choose light or dark mode and then select your preferences. If you have pro account, you can go with the first option. But you guys are here for the free method, right? So we will go with the second option, which is Anthropic console account. Now we have to verify our account first. And now we are ready to go. Next, we have to set up Ollama. For that, go to the browser and search for Ollama and use this link in your terminal. I already have it, so I won't do it again. But after downloading, you can check it simply by typing Ollama. If it show up like this, then it's working now. Or you can see it here at the top. Now, after installing Ollama, we have to install a model. Go here and check this model suits you and your computer. If you have low RAM, don't use a heavy or larger models. I suggest using this website to check which model suits your hardware best. For this tutorial, I will go with Quant 2.57 billion. Then click on it, copy the Claude code and paste it in your terminal. Since we already installed Claude, we don't need anything else and it will run smoothly. Now it's time to check it out. Go to here and write a prompt, create an HTML file with navbar and hero section with the styling as well. Now hit enter and look at this. It start creating the page. Okay. So it takes a little time because yeah, it works on local machine and also it is not best as compared to Claude or Gemini or ChatGPT. I hope you understand that part. So yeah, finally it here you can see the code it provided is inbuilt. It's a HTML file with a style. Okay, and now let's see how it look like. Okay, so here comes the hero section and some navbar links like home, about, contact and hero pages. Okay, here you can see it asks something like, do you want to overwrite index.html file? You have to say yes or no. Either you can say just allow all editing temp during the session, but I will say allow. Okay, so I will hit enter here and look at this. It started envisioning again and provide a index.html file with the all the codes that here present. Okay, so let's see. And now look at this. This is the file it created. Let's check it in a new window and look at this. And I understand it's not look good because it's free and it's local, so you can't just compare a universal AI system versus a local LLM software. You can use this software as for the chatbot and any other stuffs, but for the coding part I don't see it will benefit you. Coding needs a lot of parameters with an updated AI prompts with some lot of updated data, but here there is nothing. So what do you expect? As in the final part, I'm going to show you something that I'm creating for around 1 to 2 days, and that is Luna AI. Let me show you. Say hello to everyone.
Hello, everyone.
So now just say something, a quote or something to my all my viewers who are watching right now.
Code with passion, build with purpose, and never stop learning to all the amazing viewers watching live on Procoder.
Say everyone to like, share, and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Procoder for more tech content and updates. and hit that notification bell to stay ahead of the game.
So guys, see you in the next video. Happy coding.